Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just doing a very quick grocery haul. I went to Walmart pickup, and then I did Kroger's for our Halloween candy because they had a extra 50. The candy was already on sale, but you get an extra 50% off. So I thought that was a great deal. But let's just get started and run through some of the things that I picked up. For this should last maybe 2 weeks or so. But I did pick up these romaine hearts lettuce because I plan to do an avocado chicken like salad because I need to start eating a little healthier. And I picked up some baby spinach. We like to eat this with eggs and also in the smoothies. And I do plan to do some egg roll wraps, so I picked up this. The recipe, you just get coleslaw, and well, I use coleslaw, but it says that you need like cabbage, carrots, and stuff like that. So it's easy just to pick up this because it has everything in it. And then I picked up some green wraps to make tuna fish sandwiches with, or any other type of sub sandwiches. I picked up some green pepper and orange, red, and yellow pepper. I have a sweet onion. And I picked up some tomatoes. Let's see. And then we have a little thing of mashed potatoes because I'm going to cook that with a meal. I picked up a couple of these for snacks for the kids. And then we have this little person right here. He's wanting to open the Cheez-Its because that's his favorite.
And that's my favorite, and that's my favorite too.
Okay, well, let me finish the grocery haul and then we'll open it, okay?
There's so many Skittles.
So let mommy finish and then we'll open it, okay?
Okay.
And then we picked up these yogurts with the like M&Ms, and then they also got the ones with the Oreo. I'm going to be making some pumpkin muffins, so I picked up 2 cans of this with some cake mix, spice cake mix, and then I'm going to add some walnuts in there. And then I just got some cheese for a meal today. Picked up some Karo seasoning and some blackening seasoning. And then here we have another bag of like some goldfish crackers. And I picked up some olive oil. We also picked up some water enhancers. I've never tried the Kool-Aid flavor, but I want to try this grape flavor. And then he eats these for snacks sometimes, so we have the mini ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, right?
And more too.
And we have ravioli. Yeah.
And some part of that.
Yeah, so we picked up 2 things of strawberries, and then we have grapes, right? Let's show them all the fruit. And then we have apples, and I picked up a bag of avocados, some kiwi. Now we've tried the yellow kiwi, and I've tried green kiwi, but I don't think sometimes they're always sweet. But I saw these sweet kiwis at Walmart, so I picked up those. We have a bag of lemons.
Let's show everybody the Oreo.
Okay, hold on. And then we have egg wraps for the egg rolls that I'm going to make. And then this is something new that I have never tried, but this is crispy honey chicken. So I'm going to try this with some rice. And then I just picked up some Hot Pockets because my husband likes those. And then we have 2 loaves of the Hawaiian bread, and then this regular loaf. And of course I picked up my jasmine rice. And then we have penne pasta that we're going to use today. And then yeah, let's get to the cereal. We have Golden Crisp, and then Captain Crunch. And then here's some more oranges. I had to pick up some heavy whipping cream.
Hey, those make me choke.
To go with a dessert. I mean, look, you're making mommy mess up. I had to pick up some heavy whipping cream to go with the recipe today. This is some juice that we picked up, and then I want to try out this pumpkin spice latte. Hope it's good. Please comment down below and let me know if you all like this. I tried to get a little serving of this, but they were out, so we got the big serving. And I just picked up some trash bags, and one second, and some napkins. Also, here's all the drinks that we got. Well, you saw the other drink over here, but I picked up some fruit punch. Yep, and mango punch. And then we have apple juice.
We got orange juice.
And then we have the simple lemonade, which the kids already opened. Or I opened for this little one. And then some Minute Maid berry punch. We like that flavor. My daughter picked this up because she wanted to try this sparkling, I don't know, beverage. It tastes like strawberry daiquiri. And then the little one likes this green smoothie juice by House Farms. And then orange juice. And then we have this big bag for our smoothies of strawberries and bananas. And he wants to show you the Oreos that we got for snack and these brownies.
Oreo.
Yeah, they kind of go together.
And look down here.
Okay, and then I picked up some chicken broth because I cook with this a lot sometimes in the meats. And then we just picked up some corn. We have our box of crackers that my daughter also likes to eat with tuna fish. And then for our lunch meat this week, we're going to do the cracked black pepper turkey breast. And then here's our tuna. I get the one with the oil in there. And then I got a can of this pink salmon because I make like these little patties with it. And then the favorite, right? PB&J jelly. This is the only ones that my kids will eat. And then my husband likes this honey mustard. And I got this House Farms cucumber yogurt dressing, which is very good to eat with, yeah, it's yogurt dressing to eat with the green peppers. And then I picked up these low-fat vanilla yogurt. And then we just have ground turkey. And these are my meats. I like how they package this in there. So we picked up this sausage. And then the bacon. And then we have our chicken thighs. And then we have thin sliced chicken breast that I'm going to use today. And then those chicken tenders is going to be for the chicken avocado salad. And then miscellaneous things that we got was this Febreze pumpkin scent, and then I picked up this Dove Winter Care scent, and then we got these Woodwick wax melts. It's in the scent, not flavor, but let's see, what is the scent? Humidor. It smells really good. And then my daughter had to get a sweater to wear for something that she has at school, so we picked up this cute sweater. Can't see you, Damara. Just need you to hold it. All I see is your body. So we have that.
And we got more.
And then we picked up this cute little top that she's going to wear under it with some jeans, some black jeans or whatever she's going to do. Okay, and this is the Halloween candy that I picked up from Kroger's because, like I said, they had an extra 50% off. So we got this big bag right here with all the good candy. And then we got some ones with the sweet tarts and then chewy sweet tarts. We got that bag. We picked up some, Double Bubble. We picked up Skittles. Another bag of chocolates. We have Suckers. And then the Sour Patches. And then my daughter loves these. Even though these are for the kids that we're going to be giving out, but she said these are really good. And this was like $60 worth of candy for $30 something, so I thought that was pretty good. So yeah, we normally don't give out candy. Well, we haven't in this new neighborhood, but this year we decided to, so I think this will be enough candy. Okay, you guys, that is it for the grocery haul, and we will see you guys in the next. Yeah, we already told them. What is it?
Sour
Patch Kids, right? So we'll see them win in the next vlog.
And we'll try them.
Okay, tell them we'll see you guys later.
We see you guys later.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And give this video a thumbs up.
And give this video a thumbs up.